In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on Calendly. This process will help you keep your account information up to date and ensure you receive notifications at your preferred email address. Begin by navigating to the Calendly website in your preferred web browser. Once the page is fully loaded, look for your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically appears as a small circle or your profile picture. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Profile. This action will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your profile. After the profile page opens, locate the left menu. In this menu, find and click on Login Preferences. This section contains settings related to your login information, including your email address. Once you are on a login preference section, look for the field labeled Login Email. Here, you will see your current email address displayed. Next, click on the button that says Change Email. This will allow you to enter a new email address. Now, enter your desired new email address in the provided field. After entering this information, confirm that it is correct to avoid any issues. Once you are satisfied with your new email, proceed to click the button to save your changes. At this point, Calendly will send a verification email to the new address you just entered. Check your inbox for this verification email, as it is necessary to complete the update. If the email does not appear within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. After you receive the verification email, follow the instructions inside it to confirm your new email address. Once you complete the verification process, your email will be updated successfully in your Calendly account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.